This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. The Genesis GV60 offers an available remote start function which can be activated via the included smart key fob. Among its many benefits, this remote start feature will allow you to remotely run the GV60's air conditioner or heater, helping the cabin achieve your ideal temperature before you even enter the vehicle. By preheating or pre-cooling your car while charging, remote start can help maximize EV range before you get underway. Please note that the GV60 must be in park for the remote start function to work. To activate remote start, first press the door lock button on the smart key. Then press and hold the remote start button for more than 2 seconds. This must be done within 4 seconds after pressing the door lock button. The vehicle will then start. Should you need to turn off the remote start function before entering the vehicle, press the remote start button on your smart key fob once. Otherwise, you can enter your GV60 and enjoy the drive as normal. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.